Hey guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to search for movies on YouTube TV. So once you're inside YouTube TV, click the search on the uppermost right hand side, guys, and you want to click on movies. Here you'll find all of those movies. So here you can see quite a lot going on here, right? So you can see those movies. There are some pickers here. You have the categories that you can choose from. So let's say I want something in the comedy area. I can click on that and I'll find comedy. The same goes for action. If I click on that, you can do that. Keep in mind, if you want to remove some of those options, because if you click on too many of them, then it's going to restrict to only a few. So you want to go ahead and click on the ones that you don't want and just kind of make sure that it is filtering correctly. Now, once you scroll down, you have some on now, and these are like upcoming things or what's currently playing right now. So you will see them on the live. If you scroll down as well, you have different categories showing you. So you have things such as comedy, you have drama, you have fantasy, all of those good stuff. So you have different categories that you can choose from. So this is how you go ahead and you search for movies, guys. You can easily go ahead and search for movies just like this.